From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. Another beautiful fall day overlooking Beaver Stadium. You can see there are some clouds around. However, that sun is out with the temperature around the mid-40s, around 45 degrees, with a wind chill of 40 degrees due to that westerly wind at 9 miles an hour and visibility of 10 miles. Now, if we take a look at our temperatures in the east, you can see temperatures are in the mid to low 50s. Philadelphia, the warm spot at 52. And if you move north, it does get a little bit cooler. However, if you do travel to the west, you can see State College at 45. The temperature is pretty dramatically colder, especially in the Laurel Highlands and the upper elevations, Blue Knob, Seven Springs. Your temperatures are going to be in the mid-30s. Pittsburgh's around 44 degrees. If you travel north up through Franklin and Erie, temperatures are in the mid-40s. Now let's take a look at our satellite imagery. You can see out to the west, it's relatively sunny. That sun is beaming down in the central part of the state. There are a few lingering clouds, which if you look up, if you're in State College today, you can confirm that. And if you move to the east, you can see there's a little bit more clouds to the south and east. However, as daytime heating takes place, those clouds should burn off. Let's take a look at our radar across the whole East Coast as a whole. You can see this storm system down towards the south is responsible for bringing all of these clouds up into the region. However, the precip should stay well to our south and not be a problem for State College or the rest of the Commonwealth. However, that does not mean that we're out of the woods. For the rest of the week, we should be pretty sunny. However, our next storm looks to take place this weekend. Here's Friday at 12:30 in the afternoon as clouds start to build from the south and west. You can see it brings up some moisture with it as well. Starting in Pittsburgh, then through State College. Throughout most of the day Saturday, we could see a lull Saturday night into Sunday. However, we get another batch from the north and west. That's going to bring some colder air too. There you see it, I'm sure you do. I'm going to say the S word, snow. It's going to be coming through, potentially dropping the first flakes in State College Sunday night into Monday, depending on how the temperatures take place. The computer models are starting to get the idea of it. We are still far out, so don't freak out yet. Now, if we take a look before we jump right into winter, we do want to enjoy some of the fall. If you're looking for some nice colors on the leaves, travel up to the north and west where you can be around Scranton and the Pocono Mountains. You can see some really beautiful colors. Up to the north as well where it's a little bit cooler, you can see those colors as well. State College, not so much yet. However, we should be able to see some colors within the next few weeks into the latter half of October. Now, if we take a look at our temperatures for today, we're going to be hovering around the mid-50s, around 54 degrees, mostly sunny skies, and a wind of 5 to 10 miles an hour. However, that wind will be gusting to about 20 miles an hour, so that wind chill is going to be a little bit cooler. Make sure you have your jackets if you're walking to class. If we go into tonight, temperature's going to be in the low 40s. Those winds do die down a little bit. However, you're most definitely going to need a jacket. And going into tomorrow, 50 degrees, a little bit cooler. Sun will still be out, which will make it a little more bearable. However, we do have gusty winds still hanging around, which is going to make that wind chill a lot cooler. Make sure you bring a scarf and a jacket on your walks to class. And now if we look at our 7-day forecast, you can see temperature is going to be in the mid to low 50s over the next couple of days. However, that temperature does continue to drop into the upper 40s. And yes, that is right, folks, 32 degrees. Potentially seeing our first freezing temperatures in State College Thursday night. So if you have any plants or a garden, make sure to take care of that as the season is winding down. And as I said earlier, we could see our next chance for a storm Saturday and Sunday with the slight possibility of our first flakes Sunday night into Monday, depending on how cool our temperatures get. On behalf of the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Mardirossian. Have a fantastic Tuesday.